Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. The today's video is basically our discussion on how can you access the free SAT practice material. Okay, and this video is only related for SAT students. This is not for GR or GWAR students. I will not be teaching you any concept in this video. What I'll be telling you in this video is that how can you access my website and how can you practice questions for your SAT exam for free. Okay, so I have been working on these SAT questions for past 2.5 years. Okay, and I have almost made some around like 1500 questions for just for maths part, and I have done it for the verbal part also. But verbal part is currently under QC, that is quality check. Once I'm done with that, then I'll upload those questions of verbal part also. So this video is just to guide you on how can you access question from a website, from a web portal, and start with the practice. Okay, so these questions you are supposed to practice when you have learned a concept either from my video or from wherever you are learning it. Once you have learned it, then you have to practice questions. Okay, that's how you can bridge the gap between the concept and actually getting a good score in maths. Okay, that's what you need to understand. So what you will do is on your browser you're going to type binjuseducation.com. I'll share the link also in the description. So as of now I am logged out and I am also entering this website as a guest. Okay, if you want you can check out our website also, some of our testimonials, some of our scores and everything. So what you need to do is you need to simply click on test series. You don't have to press in login or anything as of now. Simply click on test series. So do not click on this writing and language one because this is something that I'm testing, so you won't be able to solve the questions right now. Okay, so I'll be deleting and I'll be keep on adding it so format so that my testing is completed. What you'll do is you're going to come down and you're going to click on this SAT math topic wise test. You're going to click on this SAT math topic wise test. Okay, as soon as you click on it you'll get a curriculum, and this curriculum will basically tell you like what all topics and under what all topics how many quizzes do we have. So for example, under inequalities we have 6, under modulus we have 5, complex number we have 7, percentage is 8, and so on and so forth depending upon the chapter. For example, for functions I have 22, linear equations I have 26, and so on and so forth. So a quiz consists of roughly around like 10 questions for most of them, but for some of them it's also like 8 questions, 4 questions. Okay, for every question I have given 2 minutes, which is more than sufficient time, which is basically more than what you get in the actual exam. Okay, so if you're a new user, you're completely new to this, what you simply have to do, you need to click on this start now. Do you see that on the right side of the screen? And it's free, it's the price, so it's completely free, you don't have to pay anything for it. So you click on, simply you're going to click on start now. It's going to redirect you to this screen. What you have to do is you simply have to do sign up. Okay, you have to do sign up if you are a guest or if you're accessing the website for the first time. Then whatever your email ID is, so let's say I have made a new email ID for this, so let me check my email ID. This is testing Binju. So let's say whatever username you want to have, whatever password you want to have. Okay, and if you want to give any note to me, note to administrator, then simply place the order. So it's gonna process it and that's it. If you want you can save the password if your browser gives you that option, and your order has been done. So what you'll do is you'll simply click on this part, that is the pink thing that you see, the SAT maths topic wise test. Simply click on it because it's a link. Okay, so when you click on it, it's gonna redirect you to that screen, the question screen, and now you can see that the locks have been removed because now you have signed up and you have a tick mark. So the tick mark basically shows that you are yet to attempt the exam. Okay, and it's gonna tell you that okay, you started on this date and course will end on this date. It's a 52-week course. So let's suppose you start with inequalities. You're gonna click on it, So it's gonna show you something like this. You're gonna click on this arrow, which is gonna take the screen on the left hand side so that you have the complete screen for your practice, and you're gonna click on the start button and the questions will pop up. So whatever your answer is, let's suppose this, no matter how many questions you wish to solve, you have options. Sometimes you may have to scroll up, scroll down, and all those things will be there, which I believe all of you understand. Once you are done, or once the time ends, this quiz will automatically close down, or if you want to close it before, then you can simply click on finish quiz. You're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna click on the review button. So what's gonna happen after the quiz, those things we are actually working on, okay, so that we can give you a complete insight of where you went wrong, how many questions you got correct, and all those things we're actually working on it. But as of now, you can practice, and that's something that is important, okay, that's important than everything else. So you're going to click on review, and you can see that I have also provided the explanation part. So the B option was incorrect, D was correct. Why was it correct? I have given you an explanation also, and that's actually applicable for all the questions. That's the best part about this test series. You will have an idea of where you went wrong and how you were supposed to solve the question. And that is applicable for all the quizzes or all the tests which are there. All of them. No matter whichever one you open them. Open any one of them and this will be there. Okay, so you finish a quiz and revise it at that same point of time so that you get to know where exactly you went wrong. And this will be actually a really good practice before you actually move on to the actual SAT tests which are available on Khan Academy. And if any one of you is looking for them, then you can connect with me. I'll help you out with those official mock papers. The same thing we'll be doing for verbal also, but as and when it's done, we'll update you guys. Okay, so this is where you can actually practice for free and try to boost up your score. Okay, the more you practice, the more you learn. So you can learn for free on YouTube on my channel, and then you can practice for free on my web portal. All right. Alright then guys, that will be all. Now next time whenever you log in, let's suppose you go back to Google. So let's suppose this is where your browser opens up. So again type bingeseducation.com. So again you can go to test series and again you can click on this. And if you're already logged in, it's continue. If you're not logged in, then you'll have to log in. So how do you log in? Let's suppose if you are on the home page, you can click on user and you can simply click on login. So it says that you're already logged in. If you're not, then you'll have that screen where it says that okay, you need to enter your email ID, you need to enter your password, and then again do the same thing. Go to test series and then click on SAT Maths topic wise test. Apart from this, you can also access this SAT Maths free practice test. This also consists of like 20 quizzes, so that's like 200 more questions for you. Okay, and this advanced maths, if some of you are looking to practice advanced maths, all of this is free. Okay, all of this is free. So you have parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, asymptote functions, and all those things. If you want to practice these also, so you can go ahead and you can practice this also. Alright, so that will be more or less as far as this video is concerned. Hope you're enjoying my channel and hope you're learning something new every day. And thanks for all the support that I have been receiving for past couple of months. It has been really a wonderful journey. The support, the positive comments and everything. Okay. So guys, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you so much from my side. And that will be all as far as this video is concerned. Thank you so much.